Welcome to This Explainer. Let's trace how we went from just observing nature to pioneering actual systems science. So think about it. What actually links a forest ecosystem, our social networks, and complex tech? Way before modern science, ancient cultures already saw the world as a deep, interconnected web of relationships. They totally got it, understanding cyclical time, nested order, and why ecological stewardship is an absolute must. This ancient wisdom nailed a core truth. Reality relies on specific, repeating patterns. It's not just random. Look at these meta patterns, things like feedback loops and hierarchies. You'll find them literally everywhere in nature. Seriously, they're everywhere, from the basic changing of the seasons to the super complex workings of your own body. But then, 19th century science tried solving the universe by chopping it up into tiny, isolated pieces. That's the clash. Old school reductionism slicing things apart versus systems inquiry, which looks at the whole picture. Reductionism was awesome for chemistry, but for whole ecosystems or societies, it completely fell short. By 1948, Warren Weaver perfectly named this gap, calling them problems of organized complexity. Meaning, the magic happens in how the parts interact with each other, not just the parts themselves. Fast forward to the 20th century. Alexander Bogdanov pitched techtology, aiming for a universal science of organization. The momentum really built up here, blending biology, cybernetics, and general systems theory into one massive push. Cybernetics, for example, proved how feedback loops let both machines and animals naturally regulate themselves. Next, Herbert Simon showed us how complex structures grow by stacking smaller, stable subsystems into hierarchies. Researchers even discovered that order and self-organization can spontaneously pop up in highly chaotic, far from equilibrium systems. Eventually, all these brilliant threads, cybernetics, biology, complexity, wove together, birthing modern system science. So, system science focuses completely on relationships and interactions. It's studying the very essence of systemness. Since these universal rules literally shape our reality, what invisible systems are running your life right now?